Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, make sure to subscribe to Princess Playo. Today I'm going to make a video of this Barbie airplane, so you better come check it out 100 times. So this is what it looks in the inside because I got this from Christmas. This is really fun. And it has some 2 little drinks on here to pour down. And we have a little cart here to serve your customers food. And this is a special video because this is an awesome toy to make a video with. And it's fun because this little thing is going to show you where you go. And this morning, it's going to show you what the plane is going. These little things are for put bags in. And this is like a little cabinet to put things in here. Little freezer in here to freeze stuff. And here's the microwave. And here is when we put our things in here, our luggages and this is just a little thing to put money in. And this is the pilot's thing. There's a whole bunch of buttons and a little air conditioner. Another air conditioner over there. Some more buttons and a steering wheel. And we have a little thing right here. And she can go like this, so the autodogs can just relax in the airplane. So I'm really excited to make this video with your friends. And this is fun because you can open it in the back and you can close it. This is the dog Rebecca. She is a new girl from 10 and she's the only one who has this nice blonde hair. And they're kind of twinsies because they have the same hair. And this is her seat. Really nice. So only thing I want you to do is subscribe my channel. And for everything, so let's buckle her up. So here's all the dolls strapped in the airplane. So now we're going to close it up because they're going to go out for Orlando, Florida. Oh no, what's happening? It's not closing. Oh no, what's happening? Maybe we are doing this. What's happening? That's not, oh here. So now they're going to fly. They're going to fly in the air. We arrived at our vacation. Let's go in the rainbow waves. Whoa, this is a lot of grass. So I think I maybe had to do it because I have sneakers on. Let's go. Oh, hello, YouTubers. I didn't see you there. So now we're going to go to a nice thing, a restaurant, and we're going to hop back the plane and go to our hotel. So thanks for watching, kids. Bye. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe to my videos. Thank you. Bye, friends.